The wait for the most awaited smartphone of the year 2021 is over. Redmi Note 11 series is all set to launch in China and somewhere in January 2022 in other countries. A recent Weibo post, Redmi General Manager Lu Weibing hinted that the Redmi is gearing up to launch the Redmi Note 11 series of smartphones in China. Probably the company may unveil the Note 11 lineup just before the Double 11 shopping festival in China on November 11, 2021. With this information, some of the other leaks suggested the detailed specification of the upcoming Redmi Note 11 series. So let us see in the video the expected and leaked information related to the Redmi Note 11 series specification. Redmi Note 11. The Redmi Note 11 5G is likely to house an LCD panel that supports a 120Hz refresh rate. For photography, it may feature a 13-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel camera on the back, and it will be powered by the new Dimensity 810 chipset, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone will pack 5000 mAh of battery and come with 33W fast charging support. The phone will cost you around 1200 yuan, that is approximately $186 or approximately 11 to 12,000 Indian rupees. Redmi Note 11 Pro, the most awaited smartphone in the Redmi Note 11 series. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G is expected to arrive with an OLED screen that offers a 120Hz refresh rate. Yes, this is the newest thing and the craziest thing that the Redmi Note 11 series is coming with, and Redmi has done a very good job here. It may feature a 16-megapixel front camera for selfies and also 108-megapixel snapper on the back to take detailed pictures. The smartphone will be powered by the new and powerful MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset. The Note 11 Pro could be backed by 5000 mAh of battery and may support 67W rapid charging technology. Earlier rumors were suggested that the phone will be coming with a 120W fast charging support, but here the information that we have got is it will come with a 67W rapid charging technology. The phone will come in the two variants, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage. And for the 6GB 128GB model, you will get it for around 1600 yuan, that is approximately $250 or 16 to 18,000 Indian rupees. So this is all we know about the Redmi Note 11 series. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.